A very good day to class 9 students. Today is 13 July 2021 and we are going to do our English worksheet. Today's worksheet is going to be very interesting as it is going to tell you about one of your favorite cuisine, that is samosa. So let's go on to our worksheet. So you can see here that today's worksheet is about the food you love, the street food samosa. Let's explore some facts about samosa and answer the questions that follow. Samosa is probably the most popular entry, appetizer or snack in the local cuisines of entire South Asia. It is a part of daily diet of most of the people. However, there's more to its history than just being a favorite snack. Samosa has its root in the old Persian culture. It is a fried or baked pastry with a savory filling like spiced potatoes, onions, pea, chicken, and other meats or lentils. It may take different forms, including triangular, cone, or half moon shapes. Depending on the region, samosas are often accompanied by mint chutney or tamarind tomato sauce. Most sweet makers, diners, and street vendors sell samosa daily. It is divided into two parts, cone and fillers. So you can see cone and fillers are the two parts of samosa. Cone is generally made up of beaten flour and the filler may vary according to geographical regions and cultures. Some fun facts are: the shape of samosa resembles the pyramid. The word samosa was originally named after the pyramids of Middle East. Samosas were introduced in Western societies through Indian cuisines, which included vegetable samosas. Despite the popular belief, a vegetable samosa has lesser calories, less than 300 calories, and is generally a healthier meal option if cooked properly with right ingredients. Vegetable samosa is the most common kind of samosa eaten around the world. Its counterpart is samosa with minced meat, which is generally eaten in certain geographic regions or cultures: Muslims, Turks, Persians, Middle Eastern tribes, Tibeto-Burmese, and Northern Himalaya tribes. Samosa can be eaten as it is or can be prepared into various other popular Indian cuisines such as samosa chaat, samosa chole, samosa pav, etc. So, this is the history of samosa. These are various fun facts about samosas that we have read. Now we have to answer some questions. It's like a comprehension passage for you children. So let's answer some interesting questions about samosas. Samosa is made up of two parts. तो हमने पढ़ा था अभी कि samosa has two parts, cone and fillers. You can see it here, that we read it here. Samosa is divided into two parts, cone and fillers. So our answer will be cone and fillers. It has its root in old Persian culture. It is said that samosa is generally a meal option if cooked properly. It can be a healthier meal option if cooked properly. यूजुअली आपने देखा है कि जो समोसा है उसको हेल्दियर ऑप्शन क्यों नहीं माना जाता है? बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट कुकड प्रॉपरली. अगर हम समोसा को अच्छी तरह से कुक करते हैं, फ्रेश ऑयल में कुक करते हैं, देन इट कैन बी अ हेल्दियर ऑप्शन. द फोर्थ पार्ट इज select an antonym for the phrase the most common from the options given below: normal, ordinary, typical, rare. सो हमें एंटोनिम ढूंढना है द मोस्ट कॉमन का. तो मोस्ट कॉमन मतलब जो ज़्यादातर मिल जाता है. और यहाँ पर अगर हम देखेंगे तो नॉर्मल यानी कि सामान्य, ऑर्डिनरी सामान्य, टिपिकल दैट आल्सो मीन्स लाइक दैट, बट रेयर इज़ ए थिंग जो हमें बड़ी मुश्किल से मिलती है या जिसको हम इतनी आसानी से ढूंढ नहीं पाते हैं. सो द मोस्ट कॉमन का जो एंटोनिम है, जो परफेक्ट एंटोनिम बनता है यहाँ पर, वो रेयर हो जाता है. द फिलर डैश अकॉर्डिंग टू जियोग्राफिकल रीजन्स एंड कल्चर. जो फिलर है, जो समोसा में फिलर है, वो किसके अकॉर्डिंग क्या करता है, रीजन और कल्चर के अकॉर्डिंग वेरी करता है, बदलता रहता है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर हेयर इज वेरीज. A vegetable samosa has less than how many calories? It has less than 300 calories as told to us in the passage. The dash of samosa resembles the pyramid. So the shape of the samosas resembles the pyramid. Most sweet makers, diners and street vendors sell samosas on monthly basis, weekly basis, daily basis, yearly basis. So you have seen diners and street vendors selling samosas on daily basis. So the correct option is daily. So this is the worksheet for today. A message has been given to you at the end of the worksheet, and that is wash your hands with soap and water regularly. So children, be safe, be healthy. We will meet with our new worksheet. Thank you for the day.